So in this video, I want to speak about the inverse of a function. So given the function y is equals to 3x minus 5, what is the inverse of a function? So the inverse of a function is the function reflected along the line y is equals to x. We would see this at the end of this video, but first let's go through the steps. So let's call this g. So g is equal to 3x plus 5. So the first step, step 1, is let y be equals to g of x. It's implied g is a function of x here. So we have y is equals to 3x minus 5. Step 2, we swap x and y. So where we see y, we put x. Where we see x, we put y. So we have x is equals to 3y minus 5. Now the third step, step 3, is to make y the subject. So taking this working up here, we would have x is equals to 3y minus 5. So x plus 5 is equals to 3y. Y is equals to x plus 5 all over 3. And the fourth step is the simplest step. You let y be equals to the inverse of your function. So you just simply state g inverse x is equals to x plus 3 all over 5. Now let's go through this with a trickier example. So let's say we have y is equals to x squared plus pi. So not writing out all these steps as I've written it in the first example, I'm just going to do it. Follow the first example as a template to see the steps executed. So y is already the function, so we have y is equals to x squared plus pi. Interchange x and y, so we will have x is equals to y squared plus pi. Now make y the subject, so we will have x minus pi is equals to y squared. So y is equals to the square root of x minus pi. So therefore y inverse is equals to x minus pi. Done. Another example. Let's say we have y is equals to so we interchange x and y. Y is already the given function. If it was g or f, then you would have said let y be equals as step 1 shows. So interchange x and y, we will get x is equals to 2y plus 5 all over 6. Can't do better. 6y plus 2. Now we need to make y the subject of the formula, so we need to cross multiply here. So you would get x by 6y plus 2 equals to 2y plus 5. So our goal is to carry all the y terms on one side and all the x terms and constants on the other. So expanding the left hand side, we will get 6xy plus 2x equals to 2y plus 5. Now carrying across this here and bringing across this 5, you would get 2x minus 5 is equals to 2y plus 6xy. So carrying this working to the top here, tippy top, we would get 2x minus 5 is equals to, we could factor out 2y, so 2, we just factor in our y, the y, and 2 plus 6x. Okay. Factoring out y from the right hand side, we would just get y into 2 plus 6x. So therefore y is equals to 2x plus 2x minus 5 all over 2 plus 6x. So therefore y inverse is equals to 2x minus 5 all over 2 plus 6x. Done. That's the inverse of functions. Now, in the next video, I would show graphically what this really means, but if you students are interested for any of the functions I did here, go on any graphing calculator online and graph the original function and its inverse, and you would see it's a reflection along the line y is equals to x. In the next video, I am going to discuss composite functions. So if you like and enjoy the content, please subscribe and hit a like on that video.